I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone 16 Pro not charging. You can see this is my 16 Pro right here, and if we simply just plug in this charger, it is not charging. This is plugged into a wall right now, and it's not charging. So what you want to do to fix this is I recommend just simply twisting this charger a couple times, about like 5 times, just because some of the fibers within this charger or the charging port may be just congested and just not working. And if that still does not work, what you want to do is I recommend just blowing simply into your charger hole. Just go and it should get some of the dust and debris out of it. I do that on my charger as well when it's not working, and it commonly fixes it. Or if your charger is just fried, like it's completely broken, like it's bent completely, you might just have to get a new charger. I know it's not a good case scenario to be in, but you can get one for pretty cheap on Amazon if it is not working. And I just recommend just cleaning out this charger port like so, just using like a tweezer or toothpick of some sort, or even a leaf blower. That's worked for some of my friends, and yeah, it will fix your phone being unable to charge issue just like that. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below.